If your cable keeps slipping, it's not bad luck. It's technique. Here's the method. Strip 8 to 10 millimeters, align strands, and pre-shape the tip so it seats clean. On screw terminals, keep the wire straight, tighten in 2 stages, then do a light pull test. On crimp lugs, use the proper crimper and confirm zero play. Finish with heat shrink or strain relief so the cable doesn't work the joint. The payoff is a firm fit, stable contact, and a dependable installation, as long as you take your time and double check.